The military community have a passion and a purpose for helping others. And I think that solidifies their transition into the biopharmaceutical industry because they are still able to help just by making life-saving medicine. We're absolutely seeing an increase in need in the biopharmaceutical workforce, and I think COVID-19 has just accelerated the need to have more exceptional people.
They have a particular way of doing things. And I see the military being exactly the same way. Basic training and then tech school, and then you go out to operational.
Being adaptable to whatever environment that you need to work in, that's another correlation that I found to be understandable right off the bat.
It's definitely a plus for the military spouse or dependent because it gives the military members something to look forward to when you can't find employment, because we PCS a lot and you have to find jobs that are not in your field a lot of the times.
You know, a lot of military people, what they do is they put their physical body and their mind always on the line. You're gonna get older, you can't do it the same way. So how can you do the exact same thing, but a little different? And this is what it is for me.
It is an amazing opportunity that may be completely different from anything that you thought you'd ever do.
And I do look forward to having a second career within this biopharma environment. It's been awesome.
Reach out to the Education Center, reach out to the Family Readiness Center. Don't be intimidated. Everyone deserves a chance at learning.
When you take that step forward and allow yourself the opportunity to try something new, it's just go for it.